Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be moving really fast tonight with this DIY because my battery is getting ready to die in my phone. So I want to hurry up and record this really quick. Okay, these are going to be it's going to be Chanel stems inspired feathered earrings, I should say. And let me show you what these look like before I cut them. They come like this in a pack, and they're really pretty, guys. If you look, they just so fluffy. They're really pretty. And what I did with these, because you're going to need 9, you're going to need 9 of these because I'm using black, royal blue, and 1 white one. And what I did was I came up to the top, and well, actually, this is how the whole thing look. And then I just snip it like that. Then I come up to the top of this one and snip it like that. Now the next thing we want to do, once you finish snipping them, because it's 4 on each stem, you want to just go down the bottom real quick and you want to roll it under. Because if you decide to sell these, guys, you don't want, whenever you are doing anything that you want to sell, you want to make sure that it's safe for people who are going to be buying it. You don't want a person to get your product and they hurt themselves or they get stuck or something like that, okay? Because you will be liable for that. So you want to go down each one, and I got to snip this off because this is just, go down each one and just take it and roll it under so it won't be sticking out. Okay guys, so once you go down the bottom of each one and you roll it, like you make a loop, you roll it under, then it won't be pointy. Because once you cut these are pointy, like this part up here at the top is pointy, so that way it won't be pointy. So the next thing you're going to need your chain. Your chain should be at least, I'm gonna say 6 inches long. You're going to need your fish hook, and you're also going to need some jump rings. And the jump rings I'm using are like medium, well, they're not big, but these are the large ones, and then these are small ones, and then they have some that's smaller like that. I'm going to be using these. So what we're going to do is we're going to put on our fish hook. We're going to put that on up at the top of our chain. Open it up. Always open it towards you or away from you, guys. And we're just going to go ahead and put this on. Oh, why did I do that? Okay, and we're just going to put this on our chain. Like that. Close it up. And this is what you're going to have, guys, okay? We need to go up to the top here and make sure that this is closed in. And this is what we're going to have. And this is how you're going to keep your chain. Your chain is going to be laid this way. You pretty much want the chain to be like this the whole entire time you're putting these on. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go up to the very first top. We're going to go up to the top. And we're going to put that right there. Okay. We're going to go to the second, not the chain, not the jump ring, but the first loop you see, and we're going to put a blue one on that piece of chain. So we're going to take our jump ring, and for the sake of the videos, guys, I am going to show you how, with the first couple ones, how I am going to do this. You're going to take your piece, stick it through, pinch it real tight, guys, like pinch it so it's really flushed up against each other, okay? And then you're going to take your round nose pliers and open it, and we're going to put it on our first loop of the chain, not the jump ring, but the first loop of the chain. I'm going to stick that through like that and close it. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to come across and we're going to put a white one on the next loop. So we have this one here. So we're going to put the white one right there on that loop right there. So we're going to take this and we're going to take another small jump ring, or small, medium, whatever you want to call it. We're going to stick this through like this and pinch it and squeeze it in as tight as we can. It's not going to come off, guys. It's not going to come loose. And then we're going to open it. And then we're going to come up to the top, put it through that second loop, and then close it. Okay. Now the way I am going to be doing these earrings is, the next thing I am going to do with this is I am going to skip 2 loops. I have my white one and my blue one, so I'm going to skip 2 loops. So I'm going to, where the white one is, I'm going to skip 2. So I'm going to go 1, 2, and I'm going to put another one right here. Okay, so it's going to be a black one. And I'm going to stick this through and pinch it as tight as you can get it. Open it up. And then, like I said, I'm going to go right here. And I'm going to slide this slide that right on there like that and pinch it close. And then this is what it's going to start looking like. Now I'm going to come over to the other side and it's going to be blue, and I'm going to skip 2. So the black one is here, so I'm going to go bam, bam, right there is where I want to put it. And you're not going to be alternating colors because you're going to have one side black and one side blue, but you're going to be skipping 2 spaces. Let that close this up. We're going to do the blue. So we're going to stick that through, pinch it. It doesn't really matter how long or short you pinch it. It doesn't really matter. And then we're going to take and we're going to go, your black one is here on that one. We're going to go 1, 2, and we're going to put it right here. Put it right on this one. Okay, guys, so it's 6:37. So what I am going to do for the sake of the video, I am going to go ahead and finish it. And then once I finish it, I will be back. Okay, guys, so here is the finished look. Look at these. Look at these. They are just too, like, okay, guys. These look really rich. I mean, the camera isn't doing it any justice, but when you look at these, right? Look at this blue. The colors are so rich. And I do want you guys to know that these are for sale. I will have these in my Etsy shop for sale. And also, guys, I want to tell you that I am doing free shipping for US only. So if you live or you reside in the US, then you will get free shipping. So I just wanted to come to you guys to show you this, what I've worked on. And don't forget, be looking out for tomorrow's Tuesday show and tell, guys. I may not be uploading it until in the afternoon because I don't have the time to get it up in the mornings. I be fighting in the mornings to get my mantras up every day. So I just want you guys, I thank everybody for tuning in for today's DIY. Y'all have a wonderful, awesome day. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace and blessings. See ya.